As the days of the lockdown are coming longer and longer, the reconciliation by the human beings is also getting better and better. With each passing day, most of us are over the panic and have now realized that the best way to really undertake the new life would be to really manage our life a little bit more carefully and a little bit more diligently. And I suppose there is no point discussing too much on those issues, except for the fact that we need to really see to it that the right decisions are taken in the right perspective and implemented fully. In this connection, I would say that this morning, while I was on a traffic red light, I saw a tanker next to me, and as usual, you would have seen the tankers have several compartments. And when the truck has to be fully emptied, obviously all the compartments are fully emptied. But when the truck has not been fully emptied, then they empty it compartment by compartment by compartment and by compartment. The reason of doing so is that a half-filled compartment or a half-filled truck, when it is on the road, and if at all they have to take some turns or twists or breaks, it becomes a very dangerous proposition. A semi-filled truck is a big danger to itself and also to the people on the roads. Similarly, in our day-to-day decision making, when we have to take big decisions, we have to have different departments and different people to really implement those decisions. So all those decisions which need to be taken must be taken by the people who are the most suited to take that decision, rather super specialists in that decision. And once that particular department has been handed over to that particular person, then the management has to see to it that the person has to be given full support so that the logical conclusion of the decision is taken. So this is what we Indians need to learn, that any decision which needs to be taken cannot be half-hearted, cannot be done in a way in which we have to retrace back the steps. And if at all it is done, it has a very huge cost to pay. So let us learn from the present situations and see to it that we take small decisions but in a very precise and concise and deep way and implement it fully, rather than take half-hearted decisions and then realize that these decisions were wrong and need to correct or amend or do something, modify the decision, which might have a very big cost to pay. Have a wonderful day, and I will keep posting my views, even though you may like or not like, but I still feel it is in the interest of the country, whatever experiences I have gained, I must share with everybody. God bless once again.